Alright guys, so the pond level has dropped a little bit. About 2 inches probably. But I expected that with, still got a lot of topsoil around the edges here. The water looks really good though. It's probably a foot of visibility, I'd say. Looks really good. Okay, but what we're going to do, we're going to set up our pump again, but this time we're going to upgrade it to a 3/4 inch line. Last time I just had a half inch line hooked up. So we're going to upgrade the line and see if we can't pump more out. I got some 3/4 inch couplings here. I'm not going to glue it together, that way I can take it apart. We'll start with a shallow spot. Got a little 90 on it. I'm not going to put it very deep right now. Or I might. Right there. Now we're going to hook our long pipes up. Just getting this pump going. Okay. Always do this. We'll be able to make it though, because I got 2 short pipes here that I can connect to. That's it. That's it right there. Now I'm gonna get a shovel and dig out a little bit and make sure it goes straight to the culvert pipe when I do start it up. Let's do it. Yeah, a lot more water than that half-inch pipe was putting out. Look at there. There we go, guys. We're gonna let that pump. Oh yeah. That's a lot more water than we were pumping. All right, we'll come back and check on it. We'll keep you updated. All right, guys, so we can see the bottom here now. So that pump, it's been about a couple hours, maybe a few hours. Yeah, you can see the bottom here. The water looks good. It's real clear coming out down here. All right, guys, we got the pump back running. Got a good bit of water coming out of there. We'll let that pump. I gotta work tonight, so we'll check it out in the morning when I get off. But it should be stopped by then. We put it in a little deeper hole right there, right beside Isaac there. We'll let it pump down. All right, guys, so here's where we're at. We had to stop the pump and we pulled it out of the water because we got rain coming for a few days. So this is what it looks like currently. It's gonna be about a week or so before I can, maybe longer than that, I don't know. It's gonna be a while before I can get back on it, but you can see how clear the water looks. It's really clear. Looks really good. You can almost see all the way to the bottom right here. That's about two feet deep at least. All right, I'm just giving y'all a little final update. Today is October 29th. And we're gonna just let this sit and see what it does until I have a chance to pump it out and dig on it again. Appreciate y'all following along, and we'll continue to keep you updated.